Hello, this is Dr. Shagun Gupta. Welcome back once again to the world of Shagun Gupta permanent makeup. Till now, we have done many treatments in permanent makeup like classic eyeliner, winged eyeliner, ombre brows, W brows, V brows, feathered brows, lip blushing and many more other treatments. But what is next? Let's talk about something new, which is cheek blushing and how it's gonna enhance your face with a beautiful rosy cheeks. So we have a model ready here for the cheek blush, and we will show you some glimpse of cheek blushing treatment, how it's gonna proceed on the client. As you can see, we have disinfected the area where we want to work, and secondly we have applied the numbing cream, which is we have to keep it at least around 20 to 30 minutes, and then after that we are going to start the procedure. So now it's fully numbed, it's almost 25 minutes, and I'm going to remove the numbing cream first. Let's remove the numbing cream from both the sides. So now it's fully clean. And the next is we are going to draw exactly the amount of blush she requires. It's all depend upon the client, what is the look they are looking for and what is the kind of look they want to achieve. So we're gonna draw according to the client, like how much area she wants to cover with the blush. So let's mark the area. My client is very natural and she has a very natural taste. So we are not going to do something very sharp color on her. So we're gonna use very subtle color. Yeah, so we are ready and so first pass will go very slow and very gentle. So this is the first pass we have just done, and so this is the first pass what we have done, and we have achieved a little bit the pink pigment on her skin, but we have to repeat at least 2 to 3 times of this, and after that we will show you the final result. So here we go, and this is our first pass, and look at the rosy cheeks. She's looking beautiful. So next time when we want to repeat the procedure, at least we need 30 to 40 days, and if you need more color, so you need to go more passes and more sessions, and this is how cheek blush looks like. So now you might have understood how the entire process of cheek blushing is done and how it's a blessing for you. So in our next video, we are going to talk about brows, how it can enhance your look, make you elegant, sophisticated, natural, sexy, dramatic, mysterious and intelligent. So stay tuned for more details.